Claude Code's down. What the heck are you supposed to do now? Well, I ran into this issue today and I have an easy solution for you. So here we have 2 of my 5 Claude Code instances that were all running, and then boom, they stopped. How have I now continued on my work with these? Well, there's 2 things you can do. The first thing is you can either move to Anthropic's API provider or any provider on OpenRouter. So OpenRouter is a place for a bunch of AIs. It's not just Anthropic Claude. It's literally, if we go to OpenRouter here, like literally everyone, Gemini, whatever the heck this is. If you click on view all, you'll see all of them. DeepSeek, Minimax, Z.ai, all of them. But including Claude, Opus 4.6 and all the Anthropic models. Now here, you can see the providers of these models are Amazon Bedrock, so that's in AWS, Amazon's cloud, Google Vertex, Google's cloud, Azure, Microsoft's cloud, and Anthropic, so the official provider. Now all of these here, all of these providers will be the ones that you use, and it will just route to like the whichever one is available. And even though Anthropic's down right now, so like if you go to Anthropic, it's still down here, and it's down in Claude Code, I've still been able to use it using one of these providers. Now I'll show you how you can do it super simply in a moment. All you have to do on OpenRouter's side of things is you have to go and create some API key. So if you go to Quick Start here, create an API key, you'll be able to create an API key in here, click Create, give it a name, boom, that's you, you've got your API key. Now once this pops up, do not leave this page or it will be gone and you need to create a new one, which is no biggie, but you need to create a new one. One thing to note though is that in 1 hour of me trying to use it across 2 of my different instances that I was using, they had some sub-teams and agent teams and all this stuff, sub-agents, all this stuff. That's why it's so expensive, but it was $16, which is mental. I was actually going to try and get another subscription and just get my co-worker to use this other subscription, but the entire of Claude.ai was down, so this was the only option. So what I had done was basically paid to finish these chats. Now the way that I was able to do that is if you go to here, we have an integration with Claude Code with OpenRouter, and all you have to do is add these environments into your shell profile. Now this might sound scary, but literally all you have to do is get this link. So let's copy this link and then go to say something like ctext.io. Don't you put it in here, I'm just showing you for example because this is online. I don't know if they read this page. You put it in notes or whatever. Make like a key, right? Then once you get your key, just copy it in here. So API key equals blah blah blah. And then all you're wanting to do is say, you know, set this up so that Claude Code uses my OpenRouter API instead of Claude, cause Claude is down, right? Literally something like that. So simple. Now the next part, and this is the important part, you have to then go and download either Antigravity, so this here, Antigravity, or Codex. Codex just simply being OpenAI's coding platform. Now I think for Codex you have to have paid plan, but I'm pretty sure for Antigravity you can do it for free, for at least a little bit. Well, there you go, Codex is down too. I wonder if it's a Cloudflare issue this time. Well, in any case, I already have it downloaded, but I didn't use Codex. I used Antigravity and it worked. But at least you know you have these 3 options always to go back and forth between. So I had Antigravity here. Let me just close all of these. And all you have to do is basically you get this thing in Antigravity called an agent manager. So here you want to go and you want to select a workspace or create a new one. So I had to create a new one, which is just up here, click plus, and new folder. And then you go and find whichever folder you want, doesn't matter. For me, I just selected the root folder, and then you just paste into this box here. You paste into this box here that big prompt that we had just written in context, and then it'll go away and fix it. So let me show you the example that I had here. I'll need to change my API key, but that's fine, just so I can show you how it works. But basically, I put a screenshot of this in, as you can kind of see it over here, I just said somewhere on my Mac there's this, blah blah blah. I just gave it some extra settings in my API, and it just went away and updated them, and then it allowed me to finish out working on these. Now that was the most important thing to me, was finishing off this. Then I realised it was costing too much, so I thought let's swap, and then we just simply swapped to Antigravity. And the way that I'd done that is, as you see here for emails, for example, I just created a new workspace for emails, literally just opened it up here and just said, listen, I'm come from Claude, Claude's down, I need you to analyse this entire folder, etc. Check out the Claude MD, check out the memory.md that will be here from Claude, and understand what situation we're in and what to do next. And then it'll go and it'll find the context. Now here, you can use Gemini 3.1 Pro High or Pro Low. I would suggest for your first interaction here to use Pro High. But the only problem is if you keep going Pro High, mine ran out within like, I don't know, 5 messages, maybe 10 messages, something like that. So not many at all. But I was doing pretty intense stuff. The context was quite high. But now I'm using Flash for some email stuff and it's not working that well. But anyway, it's enough for me to get by right now whilst we wait. And also, because you're using OpenRouter for Claude Code, if instead you wanted to stay inside of Claude Code, what you can actually do here is inside of models, we can come here and you hear like Minimax is supposed to be really, really good. Minimax 2.5. It's not as good. Oh, hi, there's 2.7 out. Very nice. It's not as good as Claude, but it is so much cheaper, it's not even funny. But the thing is, it's not as cheap as a Claude Max subscription, which is $100 a month. 100% worth it. But here, you can see, if you have to use the API, like an instance of today, you do this. So, in summary, you have these running. If they're finished, then go straight to step 2. If they're not finished, you go to step 1, which is go to OpenRouter, make an API key, copy this URL, get both of them, paste them into Gemini or Codex, whichever one you want, and then just say, change these settings. Then you can come back and finish these off. Then from here, you can either keep using something like Minimax, or you can instead just move over to using something like Antigravity or Codex in the meantime. So this kind of thing I actually shared first inside of my school community, and even shared a video before I had time to make one of someone else that I like, Ryan, his video about how to use any model, because it covers the same type of thing we're talking about here today. So if you want to get the latest updates when and where they happen and have direct access to me, if anything like this happens, you can ask me what to do, then head on over there. We also teach you how to use Claude Cowork and Claude Code to automate your business and to build apps. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.